A new competition is coming up for Miss America this year, and she will begin to transform from a normal Mustang into a racing P-51.
There's second place right there. Miss America, Brent, and there it is, checkered flag.
The engine will be replaced with a racing engine, along with some structural and systems improvements. Additionally, this year the propeller will undergo a special inspection. That takes a bit of effort, guys. Miss America uses Hamilton standard propellers. Once withdrawn, the propellers will be sent to San Antonio, Texas, where they will be checked for any type of crack or corrosion.
Well, she's just coming out of her annual inspection, so the guys are changing it over from a normal Mustang to a racing Mustang. So it takes quite a bit of work to change some of the systems out. Our engine builder, Ricky Shanholz in Texas, is working on the race engine. They will take this engine out and then install the race engine in a few weeks, and then we'll start test flying her and hopefully be ready for Reno in September.
In its heyday, North American Aviation was one of the largest and most respected aircraft manufacturers in the world.